think you're better off alone? Do you think you're better off alone?
Guess we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out.
Well, I don't know what you've been told, but lately you've been real reckless, so I gotta go. Now you're feeling distraught. Baby, you should've thought this ain't meant to be cold. Baby, you better off alone.
Don't read mine, so can you tell me what the deal is? I'll make the assumption you the one catching the feelings in this relationship while I'm the one who's chilling. If that's the case, why don't you keep it real then? I know I keep you around for the healing. You know I know that we'll make beautiful children. That's right. Who helped you stack the paper to the ceiling? You never had to pay the bill, and now you wanna save the chit chat. I'm not hearing. My things been packed tonight. I'm out the building. Leave you alone. I'm out the door. Your night's so cold with no one to hold. So what's the hold up? Like robberies? Honestly, me and you and me, there will be no ifs, ands, or probably. My apologies.